Good morning, guys. Today we're gonna working in our 2015 Escalade ESV. We're gonna do brake replacement, brake and rotor replacement. So it's rainy outside, so we were able to barely fit the car inside the garage, and we will go ahead and start. As you guys can see, barely fit here. So for the front, I like to get the wheels to the other side, turn to the other side, so you can have access in the back here to the poles if you need to use the breaker bar to loosen the bolts or something. So we're gonna need a 22mm socket to remove the wheels, and let's start. Okay, now we're gonna need to remove the caliper poles and the bracket poles. So before we remove them, I would like to try to push the caliper piston as I usually do. So I'm gonna try to stick a big thick screwdriver here and try to push the piston as much as I can. Then if I need to push it more, I will use my C-clamp, but let's try to push it as much as we can. Okay, we got the caliper off, we got the bracket off, and now to take the rotor in this one, I have one screw here, and it's a T30. So we're gonna remove this and hope the rotor will come out easy. And as you guys can see, the brake pads are pretty worn down. They have nothing, that's why we changed them. Let's get the rotor out and put and clean a little bit, then put the new one in. We did some cleaning, as you guys see. At the new rotor, we sprayed some brake cleaner, and we're gonna try to remove some of the grease that come on it. We need to align one of these openings with the screw here, so we're gonna take it off and turn it a little bit. We don't tie it on these screws because sometimes it gets rusted and it's gonna be hard to remove it. You just like that. That's it. Now we're gonna start cleaning our brake bracket and put the new hardware on and put the new pads on, and also we're gonna grease these two bolts here. So we grease everything, clean everything, and we put the new hardware. And now it's time to put the two pads on. And as you guys can see, there's one has a flat end and one has curve inside. So because this bracket here has two different sides, one is straight and one was curved. So it's self-explanatory that you put this one this side, this one that side. Okay, so we push the piston as much as we can, but still need to go more in. and because they are two pistons, so they have to be pushed in together. So we're gonna use one of the new old brake pads and put it on top and use our C-clamp and push it all the way in. Okay, and that's it, guys. Simple and easy. We put everything back together. Now we're gonna put our wheel on and you'll be done with changing your front breaker rotors. Thank you so much, guys, for watching, and hope this video is helping. Please like, subscribe and share.